Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice chat on the Rocket League game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rocket League game on your device and make sure that you are logged in to your Epic Games account. Once you are logged in and the game has fully loaded, you will end up within the main menu. Now from this page, tap on Settings from the home page and this will open up the settings menu. Within this page, just click on Chat. And now you will be able to see the chat options. You can click on the view/change quick chat option and then you can click on the drop down menu alongside quick chat in order to choose your preference. Now underneath this option you will also find the voice chat settings. After you have joined a party, in order to play multiplayer, then you will be able to click on this drop down menu and choose your voice chat settings. You can simply click on the drop down menu and then choose between allow voice chat with everyone, teammates only, friends only, or nobody, which will turn it off. So make sure to choose from the first three options and you will be able to use the chat feature with your friends, and you will also gain access to the other settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable voice chat on Rocket League. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.